What it do, my good people? It's your girl D with the Harmony. I'm back with another video, and today we are doing a birthday setup on a budget. You know, I love a good Amazon find, and I got on Amazon and I found the cheapest birthday set you can possibly imagine, at least in my opinion. I found all type of stuff and it was only like $32, I believe. So today my little brother is turning 21. It is his birthday. So I found a whole bunch of stuff and we're gonna go ahead and transform my living room once again into Party Central. I'll see y'all in a minute. Bye. Jumping right into the video, I'm going to go ahead and display a few of the items that came in the packages. Some of them you won't see in the final cut because they were in different areas of the house. The wall curtains that you see being displayed by the doorway actually came in a set of 4. So we put 2 for fullness on one doorway and then 2 for fullness at the other end of the doorway. Not us doing the robot. As you can clearly tell, the music was good. Word to the wise, do not overfill your balloons because they will pop. These 17-inch balloons actually came from Walmart. They were $1.49 and 3 came in each pack. The vast majority of everything you see here, the balloons, the wall decor, the hanging wall curtains, everything you see came from the birthday kit that was $32.98. The only thing that was separate was the birthday banner, and that is $7.99. As you can see, this birthday kit came with so many different decorations and it makes a small space look so full. This is great for indoor decorations, outdoor decorations, parties of all kinds. It's just a great investment. Also, they come in ages 20, 21, 30, and 40. I hope you all enjoyed this DIY birthday setup on a budget. Let me know what you guys think of this video down in the comments. Let me know what you'd like to see next. And thank you so much for watching.